Hello friends, here we are again. This is David Siguelnitzky to serve you the best I can. Listen, I am preparing a set of tutorials related to the help we can give to people that are just starting investing in the market. I prepared a video in the past talking about FinViz, but now we are going to talk about BigCharts. This is a tool specifically prepared for technical analysis. Now, FinViz is a software that is good with a very good screener portfolio for underlines and groups and maps and plenty and futures and forex and so on. Plenty information. Now we're not going to discuss today FinViz, but this is the first step. The second step is going to the technical, and this is the way, by the way, I do, because I am swing trader. My trades are good for 1 day up to 2 or 3 weeks, not longer than that. BigCharts.com is the app we are going to discuss today. So this is a very simple app, but very, very easy to learn, to understand, and to see the charts. And this is critically important when you are a technical guy. So let's say we are going to see here Facebook, okay? Just Facebook, enter, and then we see here the chart. Okay, this is not good enough, and this is not big enough for me. So this is, by the way, the basic chart. Let's go to advanced chart in order to see how this served us for technical analysis. The internet is slow today, anyhow. So let's see what we can get here. Okay, the first thing I suggest you to go is for big, okay? Draw chart, and then you are going to see a bigger chart of Facebook. Now, in the meantime, while this is reading, here you have the last price, okay, of the underline. Here you have the change, the percentage, open, high, low, okay, and the volume of the underline, PE ratio, and so on. So you have a little bit of information of, yeah, the information that is useful for your technical analysis only. Okay, let's go to this. The first thing I would change is candlesticks, because this is the only kind of graph I paid attention to. So this is candlesticks. Okay, instead of 1 year, I'm going to give here 3 months if I want to do an analysis for the last weeks or so. Here in 3 months, you see much more information in the candles. Now, because I am a swing trader and the strategy I use doesn't fit within the regular strategies using volume, I am going to remove the volume because I really don't use that. So let's go one by one. Indicators. I'm going to use EMA. The upper indicator I'm going to use is, no, I'm not going to put anything here. Instead of volume, I'm going to put MACD. Instead of this RSI, let's draw the chart and see the differences by now. Okay, so far so good. This is interesting because this is exactly what I use for my technical analysis. Something you can do is to store chart settings. Okay, so you click here and then you go back to your chart. Now, I know that having stored this information, when I come into the application again tomorrow, 10 weeks from today, or whenever I want to, I will have the same settings, the same kind of indicator. So whatever underline I pick here will work fine for me. Let's say MNTA MNTA, and here it is, MNTA, okay, with all the information that is relevant for me. Few other things you can do here, which are the background. You can change the background, draw chart. Okay, this is visible, this is easy to learn and to see. However, this is not comfortable, especially if you are working several hours like me in front of the computer. So you can still try other options and pick the one that best suits to you. I would say that you can have some fancy ones like this one, okay? This is not what I'm looking for because fancy is not for me. For me, should be practical, easy, and comfortable to work with. So, so far, this is what you have here. In this software, of course, you have some links and some information, financial content here, and I am sure that you will enjoy reading this. However, the most important thing that this application or this website is giving you is technical analysis, and I believe that you can give the maximum, you can take the maximum benefit of this software. Okay, this is Bollinger Bands. You can remove the EMA, okay, draw chart. Now remember, once you find the kind of graph you like and the easiest for you to read and to do your own analysis, remember to store chart settings in order to have this forever and ever. Amen. So here it is, David Siguelnitzky, to serve you. Have a great day, enjoy, and have a good trading day. All the best.